Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Virgin Voyages experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful brand new Valiant Lady. This high-tech mega ship is known for its incredible food, fantastic music, and of course the high level of inclusions. Now I'm currently in one of the Sea Terrace XL cabins. I find it to be a really great upgrade, of course, coming from one of the Sea Terraces. I'll show you why in just a minute, but keep in mind if you're looking to book one of the suites, we have those on our channel as well, along with the full ship tour. Now when you're ready to book your next Virgin cruise, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out, we have an amazing relationship with Virgin, and we know we can help craft the perfect cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now I mentioned inclusions. You're gonna have Wi-Fi included. You're also gonna have water that they'll restock throughout. But in addition to that, you're gonna find all those incredible specialty restaurants are included for you as well. Now let me take you through the room. Now when you walk in the door, you're gonna have a floor-to-ceiling mirror here to get ready. You also have a great button to communicate do not disturb or please make up room, and your temperature controls. Now one of the biggest places you're gonna find extra space compared to the Sea Terrace is the bathroom, and for me, that's a huge, huge change. You're gonna find a really large vanity here, plenty of storage underneath and up top, and then you also have a large backlit mirror. Now, one of the spots where you really get a ton of extra space is the shower. Now, I'm a really big guy. I'm 6'6". I don't fit in most spaces. I fit just fine in here with the rainfall shower head up above. You've got all of your different body wash, hair conditioner, and shampoo, and then a nice little nook for amenities. This will pull across as well so that you have that clothesline, and then you also have the adjustable shower wand. Now you also have a separate water closet here. Once again, quite a bit more space all around in the bathroom. And then when you head into the room itself, it also opens up for you as well. Now you've got a really nice large closet here. You'll find that this curtain will pull closed. You've got the baskets for storage up above, plenty of hanging storage, full laptop size safe. And then another great upgrade is they added in these drawers from what they had previously, more places to tuck things away. And it's also where you're gonna find your hair dryer. Now the bed here is a European king size bed, and one of the great features of this particular room is of course the upgraded technology. On either side of the bed you've got two USB plugs and a US plug. Then you're right across, you're going to find that you have a large flat panel TV. This is also added decor. I really like the difference here, and you'll find that the TV is fully interactive. You can see what's going on throughout the ship in addition to watching television. Now underneath the bed, you'll have plenty of place to tuck away your larger bags. I do love that they have these tables. There's like a nightstand on either side in essence there. Maybe you can have some breakfast in bed or enjoy a cocktail. But another thing, just in case you're interested, is this bed will separate and they can move it over here so that you have a nice large sofa and a bed if that's your personal preference. You've got 3 directional reading lamps up above so you don't disturb your partner at night. Then you also have a nice reading chair tucked over here in the corner right next to another set of plugs. Now here you'll find your vanity. You've got a nice large mirror there to get ready, stool underneath. You're also going to find a European plug, 2 more US plugs and 2 USBs. And then I'd mentioned the ship was high tech. I wanted to point out the tablet. You can use this to control the lighting, the temperatures, the television, just about every single thing in the room itself. You're going to find that you have your mini fridge underneath here, and then the water, as I mentioned, that they will restock as often as you like throughout your cruise. Now this is a Sea Terrace XL. Let's head out and see that terrace. So now we're out on your private Sea Terrace. You've got 2 chairs and a table here. Perfect place for a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening as you take in the incredible ever-changing ocean views. I love getting that fresh air, maybe sitting and reading a book as well. This is your space to sit back, relax, and enjoy wherever in the world this beautiful ship is taking you. Now in addition, you're also going to find their signature red hammocks here. Many of our guests do go home with them. They're extra comfy, relaxing, and a perfect way to enjoy a sea day or even a day in port. Now when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Virgin, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know these spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.